Hello everyone, I'm here today to tell you a little bit more about my new adventure. As probably most of you know, I have closed the ProBiz Center, but I am still very much ProBiz minded. My next adventure takes me across Canada, and it's called Dishing the Dirt, Sweeping Across Canada. It's been in the making for a long time, but it is finally time for me to get on the road. Dishing the Dirt is all about housekeeping. It's going to be about conversation between cleaning companies and their clients and how we could bridge the gap that we seem to find and the confusion and challenges and misunderstanding between the two. So as you probably know, housekeeping is my passion and I want to talk about it. I want to talk about it for a very long time and across Canada. So you might be interested to know how it's going to all unfold. And you could actually check it out on my website, thedomesticgoddesshousekeeping.com or dghe.ca. And if you feel like joining me in conversation, let me know. For now, have a great day.